Can you really use Claude Opus and GPT model for free in 2026? Most videos say yes. Most of them are wrong. Today I will show you the working method through GitLab that give you access to the Claude Opus, Sonnet, GPT and Gemini model with free trial and unlimited for 30 days. I will set you everything up from the scratch so you can follow along with me. Go to your favorite browser, search for the gitlab.com, then you are landed it here, and click on the get free trial. Then it will ask you to create account. If you have already account, you can easily log in. I didn't have a account. You can continue with GitHub as well, but now I am continue with Google. Select your account. Then finally your account is created. It will ask some info about it. Before that, it will ask to verify your account. It will send you the code in your Gmail. Check your Gmail account and provide the code that will be sent by GitLab and verify your email. Then your account is ready. It will show verification successful and it will redirect to the welcome screen. Here it will ask your role. Choose any role that you want. That doesn't matter. Give the any reason. Select your location and give your company name. Any name, it doesn't matter. Continue with GitLab. Now you are landed on the home screen of the GitLab where it will provide you the free and unlimited popular AI model for 1 month. If you can directly try it from here, then you can face error just like this. I'm sorry, you don't have a GitLab subscription required to use, but I will show you the perfect way from where you can easily use it. Go to the settings section here, general, click it here. If you click, then it will automatically open this GitLab chat box. From here you can chat it, and it will also show GitLab unlimited trial for 30 days. If you want, you can easily upgrade it as well. From here you can choose any model that you want to explore. Here all model will be available, including GPT OpenAI Codex, GPT Codex model, Gemini model, and Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet. All model will be available. You can easily interact from here. Which model is it? Can see I am Claude Sonnet 4.6 made by Anthropic. Then I have created the one project using it. If you want, you can also explore it. It will totally unlimited. Here, this is a project that I have created. Okay, this is the long project. I have created the one simple website, and this website look like this that I have already demonstrated you is in the demo. Okay, this is fully animation loaded website that I have created. It will fully working. It will full of animation and it will provide many feature, progress bar at the top, animation simple. I'm not a web developer. I didn't have too much idea how to create the perfect website, but for the sample and for today's video purpose, I'll create this website for you and I'll demonstrate you can easily create this type of website. Here is the all about section, academic section, gallery. From here you can contact. It will create the contact form. It will also create the admission inquiry form. Here in GitLab, it will be the two way to get the code in GitLab. First way, if you give any prompt, then it will start to work on this project, and by default it will create the new project on GitLab and commit it. From this project you can get the code. If you modify the project, then it will create the pull request. Then you need to merge it, combine this both, then it will reflect it on your main branch. One way. Another way will be if you deny the permission and give the reason I only need code, I didn't want to create the branch and commit, then it will directly give you the code here. This will be the two way that you can communicate with the GitLab. This is the totally free and unlimited provided by GitLab for 30 days. Explore it, learn something new. Okay, that's it for today's video. We'll meet you on the next video. If you find this content useful, then you may consider subscribe as well. Okay, bye bye. Meet you on the next video.